Hello and welcome back to the channel in the Walking Zombie 2. In this video we are, as usual, continuing from where we left off. Grabbed stuff from the house. And we've got 3 missions to get done this video. And Real Estate Broker is talking to me yet again. I tell him no, I'm not buying it, but he keeps telling me to buy it. He'll get a message one day, I hope. Alright, the lost goat. We have to find this drunk guy's goat, which is hopefully going to be easy. I'm thinking about buying a sniper rifle. I don't know. Well, maybe we'll have a look when we get back. But with like $1,400, it's not much. I like this gun though. It's quite good. Watch this. Okay, watch me fail. One shot. Another one shot. I hope that... No, I don't think it was. One shot the rest of these, I hope. No. Oh no. You're dead. Okay, after my bad performance, we're gonna get rid of these. Really fast. One more. Okay. Alright, where is this lost goat? Another zombie. I was going to complain about zombies being everywhere, but then I was like, no, it's a zombie game. Of course there are zombies everywhere. We'll quickly lockpick the safe. I don't know how many lockpicks I have left, but 12. Okay, that's not going the right way about it. Breaking lockpicks. Yep. I'm just taking it kind of slowly, so I don't break anymore. Yep, got it. I think we broke one. That was definitely worth it. Some ammo, lots of money. Nice. There's the goat. Clear the path for the goat. Which means there are zombies up ahead. Do we still have the... Oh, you still have that gun equipped, the Vector. I assume they're coming from this way, considering that's the way we have to go. I assume that's the way we have to go. It's the way to leave, so... Yeah, this is... The numbers going up, so... I've ones we killed in the mission section in the top left, so... This is the right horde of zombies. Whoa. Go, okay. Reload while we're running. We have to go straight to the bridge. So go back for the goat. I don't know if we needed to run to the bridge, but whatever. Goat, where are you, goat? Okay, where's the goat? The goat disappeared. Very funny. Find the goat. It kind of gone far. I was gone for like a minute. Oh, it's a QB. See, that's the kind I talked about a lot in other videos. Dreading when we have to fight them. Because I really hate them. Oh, another one. Are you serious? Time for a bandage. Okay. There is nothing here. Try to look elsewhere. Where is the goat? Oh, we have to go back out that way. Reload. I just want to check, look around. Because as I keep saying, I dread QBs. They are actually the biggest pains. One of the biggest pains, probably. There we go, there's the goat. We'll just take it. And that's the last goat. We'll head back, and then we'll go to the other two. It'll probably say, oh, phone. I'll face the encounter. I would say to probably cost fuel, but on the very slight chance that I die, I don't want to lose what I've already got. I don't know if it would lose it, but the telephone is ringing. I just say telephone because it's up there. No safe to lockpick. Speak to telephone. Follow the white chicken. Wake up there, what? Okay, white chicken, where are you? That's a cloud. Where is this? There you are, white chicken. Use, I guess. You failed, what? You successfully caught the chicken. So what do I do now? Take it. Talk to Orpheus or something? Orpheus, who are you? What? Morpheus, okay. Okay. What do I do here? I'm gonna have a think, and I'll edit my thinking out. Alright, I've looked it up. I must admit, we're gonna take the red pill. We're being controlled by people around the planet in a fiction created by developers. This is so much like the Matrix. The agents. Experimenting on you, what can I do about it? Teach you how to shoot better. And there we go, more firearm skill. So that's pretty nice to have. And what does Zombie Pass say? Yeah, more of that, that's nice. Back to the centre. That was interesting. I didn't expect that. Anyway, we'll go and do the other 2 missions now. After we collect the reward for this, getting the goat. Well, of course, real estate broker's talking again. I'm not going to buy from him yet, because I don't have the money. I'm just going to quick look at guns. I don't want pistols and stuff. AK. I might consider the AK. Or this. Attack speed. I don't know, we'll probably consider the AK, but nowhere near enough money at the moment, so we'll just keep grinding and try not to spend any money. Not really grinding, you know. Need to find my future wife. Okay, I need to find his wife. We'll probably, that's on that side, so we'll get that done next time, and we'll do these 2 at the moment. Treasure map. We'll get the treasure map done first, that's furthest away. Right. That goat disappearing like that. Oh, well, that Matrix thing was kind of weird. Anyway, okay. We're back here, alright. 15% damage. That's probably a nice one to have. Lockpick more. Whoops, that was silly. No. I'm not going to break any more lockpicks. I'm going to try not to. No, okay, of course I'd break more. Oh well, 1 more might not be the end of the world. No. Okay, this time. Yep. 560 silver coins. Yeah, that was worth it, I reckon. Okay. Zombie security men. What a pain. More zombie. Is it a male jacket? Yep. What? I missed. Okay, we'll get some more knocked out, and then we will grab this treasure. See, I do like this gun. Except for when it misses. Like then. Which is a big pain, but what can you do? Go past the radiation area. Get rid of you. Try and not get damaged. I won't go too close. I'm losing my voice. That's annoying. Is that a Puka? It's a Puka Pro, isn't it? Of course I kept missing. Let's see how many... If it shoots 2 balls, it's a Puka Pro. Yep, first Puka Pro encountered. What a pain. Headshots. This is a big pain in the pain area, I guess you could say. So anyway, now you all know what a Puka Pro looks like if you haven't played the game before, or seen anyone else play it. I'm doing a very bad job, I'm aware of that. We'll take a bandage, we have 24, it's okay. Alright, and I want to get rid of the vector, not that. Well, we get a free basic shovel. Out of here, thank you. Oh, I mean, I don't mean get rid of, I just mean replace with the basic shovel. Hopefully we find the treasure quickly, because this could get a little bit boring. I'll just dig like a couple of digs in each spot on the surface, in the hopes that the chest is revealed pretty easily like that. Round and around. Oh, we've done treasure maps in this game before in these videos, so you all know how it goes. Okay, we're quite close to the edge. We'll go around here because that's where the marker is. I don't know, maybe that's where it is, I don't know. I wish it was easier to find. I wish you could just kill the zombies and get the treasure. Not have to encounter Puka Pros. Which are annoying. QBs and Puka Pros, honestly, I hate them both so much. You hardly run into normal Pukas when you get further into the game, so it's mostly just Puka Pros. So it's almost nice when you get a non-pro one, because they're kind of weak compared to Puka Pros. Alright, we've dug a lot, I reckon it's around here. Yep, what did I say? Open. Some ammo, coins, golden coins. Cool. And we will do the mayor's mission on the way back. Sorry about my throat clearing, I'm losing my voice all of a sudden. Alright, let's try and get this done pretty quickly. Continue. Oh, okay, I get to sit behind the machine gun. And these guys will help, apparently, I guess. But I'll equip a gun back. I'm going to put the shotgun back. We've used the vector enough to show how it goes. Right, I'll quickly eliminate this. And then I'll jump on the machine gun. And eliminate that one. Now we'll jump on the machine gun. I don't want them running at me as soon as I jump on it. Right, I'm just concentrating. All leather scrap, that's nice. Are they coming from that direction too? At least I got these other people here to help me. And we can always push cancel and jump off if necessary. If they start swarming around, because you can't move while you're on it. So if they're right close to you, you have to kill them, or else they just keep attacking you. I'm not liking this. Hope that got rid of all of them around here. 13 rounds. quickly reload, quickly. Okay. I don't know where the zombies are over there. I'll leave. Oh, I need help. Here we go. And sit back on the machine gun, I think I'm supposed to. Use. Hopefully this is the last wave of zombies. Well, we're going fast. Pretty cool. Get rid of that zombie hoodie. The other guys have run into zombies. I hope I can't kill my own people. Or hurt my own people. Because I've been hitting them a bit, if you can. Not you. 35 rounds, quick reload. Oh. Not today for you either. Is that us done? No. Oh, thought they would kill them. Where's the horde that's coming? Okay, none there. Get rid of you. Quickly reload. Hopefully we're nearly done with these annoying zombies. Oh, yep, that's it. And we'll go back and talk to the mayor. See what he has to say. Hopefully he's paying us for this one. Locked box. Face the encounter, I guess. May as well face it. Let's see what happens. Sorry, continue. Plus 150 coins. I do like this lucky reward. Okay. Open. Locked. Try and find a key. It's under one of 3 rocks, if I remember correctly. Move. Oh. First try. Take. And we will open. What'll be it? Something. Oh, 500 ammo. That's good. That's very good, actually. Oh, there's our ute. Alright, well, I assume that's all there is, because there's no safe there. So let's head back, talk to the mayor, and... Oh, no, the other one was a treasure map, so just the mayor, I think. And the trader, probably. Okay. I'm just going to ignore this real estate broker at this point. He's going to keep alerting me until I've bought his house. Sell scraps for 50. Okay, I got a lot of ammo for okay, that 5.56 mil ammo. I don't have any guns that take it, but I have a lot of it. So maybe I'll buy a gun that takes that. We'll see. Let's talk to the mayor. Yep. Chance of survival are now higher. Repair the barricades. Alright, we'll just we'll get those done next video. Just quickly, I'm going to sort out this. This advanced ammo can probably wait right there. Oh, I can sell a shovel to one of the traders. Put that over there. Grab that. The vector. And I'll sell one of the shovels because we don't need to. Let's see if he has anything interesting to sell me. No, I won't buy extra armor at the moment. I won't buy any ammo either. 280 bucks. Sell it, yep. Nice, there you go. Okay. That's probably us for this video, I reckon. So, next video we'll get these 2 done and maybe some more. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.